Thank you for purchasing a retention ring. The Mark III pepper spray retention ring is easily installed. Flip the pepper spray upside down and put your thumbs on either side of the heat shrink where the cord comes out, and simply work your thumbs around and work the cord down onto the cylinder. Make sure to pull the pocket clip away if you have one and slide the retention ring until it meets the top of the canister. The retention ring can be rotated to set up for either right hand or left hand use. To uninstall the retention ring, use a small tool like a pick to help work the cord down over the shoulder of the pepper spray and simply slide it off.